Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so I'm just going to review some trades I've done today on EU. I don't think GU gave us um, much probabilities. I'm just going to run over my trades and then show you correlating it with the DXY, the DEXY, however you say it. I don't know. It's something I've incorporated in the past month, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's kind of throwing me off that GU's trending upwards. I mean, I'm still in a trade at the moment, still in this what's trending down, and GU's trending up, so I don't know whether to actually shut that down. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, right. So let me break the trades down what I did today. So I've come to the 4 hour or the daily, and we had a big push off down yesterday, and I want to see the low of the previous week get run, which it hasn't as yet, and I was hoping it would today. But it is NFP tomorrow, so the volume in the market might not be as good. So coming into today, obviously I had that big push down. Thought, right, we'll see what happens with this. Looking at the 4 hour, there wasn't really much on the 4 hour for me to go off. All I was going off, trying to look for a trade in here in the premium, which should be a bit of a no-no, was the fact that it just had the impulsive move down, hung about, impulsive move down, hung about, boom. I'm just hoping it's just hanging about, building some liquidity up, and then shooting down. Um, but I don't know. Like for me, how the weekly candle is forming, it's had this big head, big push up there. That's your high of the week here on the Monday. It's going to come down like this is a weekly open. So I we're hoping we're going to get a bit of a push down today and tomorrow, take that out, and then pull back up at the end of Friday. That's what I was hoping. I don't think it's going to happen, um, but that's what I was hoping to see happen. So, yeah, like I say, a bit naughty looking for a short in the premium. I just thought with the overall target to take that out, like the big swing to take that out, and then maybe pull back. I don't know. That kind of seems to be what GU was doing, hasn't it? We took out like the big low here, and then it seems like we've had a bit of a rejection now. We've taken that out, as is the case sometimes. So yeah, bit of an awkward one. Like I say, it's done that, and it's just ranged. It's been stuck in this range all day. So I'm not really open. I'm not really thinking this trade's going to go. My funded account is shut down now at the moment. I've shut that down at break even. And I'm gonna let my Darwin X challenges run and see where it goes. But yeah, I'll just head into the breakdown of the analysis of the trades that I've taken. As you can see, this one was just flip model. I think I actually entered a bit more down. Oh no, I must have entered there. I don't know why I entered here actually. I should have entered there. That would have been my target to enter here. But yeah, as you can see, it's just failed. It's just failed to happen. We had the flip zone and the CPB flip zone, and I thought this would be the high of the day, which I still think it is going to be the high of the day. And we've had the flip, and I thought, okay, maybe this will be protected, and it'll keep going down from there. Wasn't the case. It looked like it still needed to get involved with this zone. It had imbalance above here. That's the same on the 15 minute. There was an imbalance, so it tapped into there and then rifled down. But when it tapped into here, I re-entered, and I re-entered because where are we? I re-entered because we had an entry model on the 1 minute. Let me get here. So we've had slight breaks, structure internally. Just failed to take this high out. Had the reaction. and then the failure of that. I was coming to a high probability 15-minute zone, which I thought was going to be the high of the day anyway. So that kind of, I was just looking to get involved. But we've had that happen. We've had another break here. Obviously, we've had the reactions in here, and then the failure of that. So when it's come back up into here, that's when I've entered. It's just going back up into there. I've got involved, and yeah, I've just rid it down. Bit silly, really, to go out at a break even not funded because I were at 3 hour up. Trade management not the best. Trade management not the best for that at all. Really, it's done a bit of a recovery cup handle, really. That and it's done a cup, then and then fell off. And I still think it's going to go down. I would say just reorder thought it's going to go down. Like it's got these targets here. It's got this target to take out on that. That kind of spooked me out. The big push down that took that. I thought that was going to be the initial move to take all that out. So, and can also argue from the other side that we've got a break block. So we've had that break structure change of character, and we've had a low there, and then this got smashed through, had a reaction, smashed through it. So that's your last point of doesn't mean that. That's your last point of supply failing, and it's pulled down quite possibly. Has it tapped into that? Yeah, it has tapped into that. So if that does not fail, which I think it is gonna, but like I say, we don't know everything. So if that does hold and keeps managing to make these fails, like we've got a bit of liquidity rested. Now you could say that we're a sweep, swept that, and then come back down again. So yeah, I mean, if it could reverse from here again and breaks all that, then I'd be looking to see some all this price action into the discount zone of this chart. Sorry, I've got like I've got a bit of things, I've got a bit of stuff happening outside, it's like taking my attention. Sorry about that. Just don't have any distractions while you're doing a video. Trying to change up where I sit. I'm sat in the living room with my laptop on my knee. Getting a bit cold at the minute. It's like -4 in England, so my conservatory is not warming up very well at all. But yeah, so they're the two trades I've taken for today. Short, got caught out on that. Break even on my funded. I've let my challenges and that run, which looked like it might be a smart thing to do. Like that would be wary of this happening, like the supply failing, of getting the reaction and failing, and then obviously this took a bit of that liquidity. But it's very aggressive and it's against order flow, so I don't know. I don't think that will happen, but we've already had like one bit of supply hold, demand hold, sorry, got another one, seems to have hold and taken that, so it would be against the overall higher time frame to take that trade if you was going long, but does it need to then play into the the discount? Does it need to come up into it before it then goes short again? So yeah, we're not fully sure at this moment in time. We're just stuck in a range. That way high, that way low. I hoping this is going to be the higher low, and then I thought it was going to come down and break this, which it still can do. That's my overall bias. But like I say, none of us know everything. Looking like a bit of a look at that weekly candle now. Looking a bit sparse. There's a big push up. Rejection. That's like a big rejection, that isn't it? Like looking at that, you'd say that's a big rejection. It's gonna come down. It's tried to go up, and it's what goes up must come down, and it's a big rejection that at the moment. So yeah, bearish intentions overall. Hopefully it does. NFP tomorrow, so I won't be trading. I probably will do a markup. I'll monitor the charts anyway because I did rule out trading on Fridays, but I did rule out trading on Thursdays as well. So if there is an opportunity that screams at me in my face, I'm going to have to take it. But I probably will not trade. I'm going to look at it for a couple of hours. If nothing jumps at me to take a quick 2 hour, 3 hour scalp, then I'm done for the day 'cause it's just not worth it. But yeah, hope you all have a great weekend. If not, uh, any questions about this video or any trades you want me to take a look at, let me know. I know you got involved with one day, and I'm not fully sure where, but I know you would have been taken out with this now, looking at what's happened there. So yeah, yeah, unlucky. Like I'm not sure where he covered. Maybe he did cover it. Yeah, maybe he did cover it here. I can't remember looking at the chart now. I think he like tried to get a reaction of flip and trade off that, which yeah, good enough. Just unlucky with this, which is why I now try and cover the high, what I think will be the high of the day, and if I can get involved, get involved. Oh yeah, we'll see. Righto. So all have a good weekend. Any questions, obviously, let me know. I enjoy doing this stuff, as I let you know every time. So don't feel stupid, even if you're a newcomer and you just haven't got a clue what I'm talking about. Just ask a question. You know what I mean? It only takes me 2 minutes to do a video. It takes me 2 minutes to upload it, so I don't mind doing them. See you later.